This is a high counter height stool that I bought from Amazon. Came from Amazon, we put it together. It only takes about 10 or 15 minutes to put it together. I liked it so much, I went ahead and bought 4 more. So as you can see, this stool is actually in my kitchen with the counter right here. The counter is it's a counter on an island. It's about 35 inches high, so this stool helps us sit up here. It's a little bit higher than a regular table. A regular table is something like 30 or 28 or something. This stool will actually allow you to, as you can see, sit, put your legs in there, and sit and eat at the table. The heights are very good. The chair itself, the actual seat and the back comes assembled. It comes as one piece. And then you have to go ahead, put these 4 legs into a bracket up here, and there are something only like, I think something like 12 screws. You need 4 screws for each side. You need screws for the pivot up there for the actual swivel. I do like the fact that these swivel, and then you need 4 screws for the bases all around here. One good thing about this is they are metal. They are tough. I know that looks like wood, but it is metal. And then the feet itself, you can actually adjust the height. They have little turny things here. You can turn them to make them further or kind of closer or further away to kind of even the chairs out. Our chairs move around a bunch, and this one seems wobbly right now, but when I move it actually where it goes, it's totally fine. These things are simple and soft. They're very comfortable in the back. The back is a little higher, not so far up that it's a full back, but it's kind of a half back, not a quarter back, so that's kind of nice. They do hold plenty of bigger people. I'm a bigger person. I can sit on this thing just fine. It's kind of a microfiber material. As you can see, the stitching is nice and tight, so that's pretty good. We haven't gotten anything too dirty on these things yet, but I'm told you can just kind of clean them with a wet rag and a little soap, and it'll clean them up just fine. They do come in different colors. White, we got white for our kitchen, but they do come in different colors, so if you're a little afraid of eating with white chairs, you can go ahead and get a different color. That's fine too. Overall, these chairs are comfortable, easy to build, pretty sturdy. They hold up pretty well. And I like the fact that I can go ahead and order 2 or 3 sets, so a set of 2 or a set of 3 from Amazon. That allows me to build like 4, 6, 5, 7. It allows me to do both even or odd numbers. A lot of my stool sets on Amazon, I could only do 2 or 4. But if I want 5 stools, I'd have to buy an extra one. Didn't want to do that. I wanted to just get 5, so I was able to do a set of 2 and a set of 3. Same assembly, same die lot, everything's exactly the same except you get 2 chairs in one and 3 in the other. So overall, very, very nice set of chairs. Again, I got a whole bunch of them. These are highly recommended.